October 1st. We're at the KOA in Virginia Beach. KOAs are not our favorite, but this is for a business meeting for the national organization in Norfolk, so we're staying in Virginia Beach. The sites at the KOAs are too small, too narrow, crowded, but we're not hanging out here. We're not that concerned. Currently there's a vacancy at the site next to us, which we appreciate for the moment. It's just too crowded. But we've got full hookups. The internet service is horrendous, so it makes actually doing some work a little difficult. And have to use our mobile hotspot. Fortunately, the cell service is good. Sometimes it's not about camping, it's just about parking. And that's what this is. This is literally just for parking. It's windy because there's a hurricane up the coast. But for now, we didn't even get our outdoor chairs because who wants to sit here? We'll be inside and we'll be out and about. Oh, there she is. Everybody's having a nap. It's so windy outside. We brought our camp chairs inside and we're watching skiing on YouTube. But it had to be done.
It's totally normal.
The hurricane's coming up the coast, so it's too windy to be out there.
Old homes at one time, on the 1st of January 1776, Lord Dunmore, Virginia's last rural governor, had ordered part of the
Little island fishing pier, Virginia Beach. Seems pretty windy and it's a red flag warning. We're gonna check it out despite the wind. 68 degrees. It's not beach weather. These are the Great Dane neighbors here at the KOA. They're huge. They're ponies. Are you looking at them? Look out there. You can't see? Oh, it's okay. This is the KOA. Into the KOA. It's 9:20 on a Saturday morning and the campground is packed. To the right is the camp store and the pool. It's gotten really crowded here. It's the weekend. Those are the deluxe sites. We're over here. Crowded. Right on top of each other. We're in Red Wing Park in Virginia Beach, near the KOA. Trying to get Belle to walk, but we're just doing a sniff walk. Beautiful day, October 4th. It's about 70 degrees. It is lovely. So we're gonna walk. Here we are in this big grassy field, and still no poop. Very nice park. The pool's not bad. Beautiful day. UV index of 7. Just showing how we're packed in here like sardines. I see Belle in the window. She's so cute. It's the pool and the camp store straight ahead and the registration. So we paid $370 for 4 nights, and that was about the price of 1 night at the hotel. The last day here. There she is. Isn't she so cute? You want to come and sit outside? Back at House Place, a Boondockers Welcome in Painter, Virginia. We're going to unhook the Jeep so that we can make it easier to set up the rig down here. Beautiful day, 75 degrees, dry, lovely. Choosing a spot at House Place. There's other rigs here, but no sign of life, actually. Going up on the Legos. We think that's Hal's motorhome because the grass is kind of cut around it. Wow, it's going up a lot. And we're parked. Set up. Oh, so quiet. So quiet.